to build a custom bike, and then don't even worry about the mechanicals. Just make it look cool, and you can just roll it around and take pictures of it and never ride it. But I kind of want to ride it, so. Dark Cloud Fab, Albany Park, Chicago. Sean here. We're going to show you how to build a one-of-a-kind Street Fighter Magna and completely forget about any kind of mechanical things, like maybe if it'll start. So let's dive into it. We got this Magna. We did a little manga style design graphics kit available at darkcloudfab.com. Did a monoshock rear, chopped up the rear fender, did a whole tail section with a bunch of wiring inside so you won't be able to see any of it. Decals on the tank, you know, tight handlebars, new grips, levers. We got new tail light, new turn signals, 4-in-1 intake. So we got a single barrel Rochester carb feeding all 4 cylinders, and it doesn't want to start. So we're going to show you how to do a compression test. So what you do is you pull the plug wire out, pull the plug out, thread in your fancy schmancy compression gauge. I'm a Pittsburgh professional. If you know, you know. And so you turn this bad boy on, click it on. Got all the Christmas trees on there. You can leave the run switch off. And then we open the throttle all the way. Okay. Almost zero compression on that cylinder. That's the number 1 cylinder. Absolutely nothing. So something's definitely wrong with this bad boy. I'm guessing it's the head gasket. I'm hoping it might be the head gasket, unless like maybe a valve stuck open. That would be okay, I guess. Either way, I'm probably gonna have to take the heads off, but I'm gonna check these other cylinders and maybe drop some oil in just to see if maybe the rings are worn out. If you drop a little bit of oil in there, it might you know, fill in that gap, and then if you get compression, you know you got some bad rings. So we're gonna do the rest of the cylinders and see. Alright, we got threaded into the left side front cylinder. That's cylinder 3. Wide open. Barely any. What's that? Not even 15 psi. Supposed to be between 140 and 180. Garbage. Alright, right front cylinder. That's cylinder 4. Probably should turn it on. Not be an idiot. Throttle open. Battery's kind of weak, but you know, I got 500 fucking batteries. Not a good one in the bunch. looks like we got 80 on that one. Not horrible, but not really great. Right rear cylinder, that's cylinder 2. Let's do it. Like 40, barely, not even 40. Awful. Just really awful. It ain't going nowhere. Now, I could probably drop some oil in the cylinders and see if that would cover some worn rings, but it seems 3 out of the 4 cylinders are really bad and one's not great. It probably would run on 1 cylinder right now. So I think I got a bigger problem. I'm thinking it's head gaskets because it seemed like the oil was a little watery last time I cracked the case open, so that might be my issue. Either way, I'm going to have to probably take the freaking heads off. So that's going to be fun. And stay tuned because shit, I'll probably just record that too. I mean, if anyone wants to know how to build a custom bike and then don't even worry about the mechanicals, just make it look cool and you can just roll it around and take pictures of it and never ride it. But I kind of want to ride it, so, and we're getting damn close to winter, so yeah, until next time.